Okay, we will take the best trade of the day and nothing else. So what we do is just lock this maybe it takes about past is past. Degree providing a plan. What do we have here? We have C of this, this. Then what do we have? We have this. This this was this looking. This looks like a near. Monthly problem. What is tracking of the logon? How are mitigating? Okay. So how are mitigating? Then what we have this area. Area free the right there. Previous the log is still intact. Area here. But nothing on this yet. Data in that nodes. This area as well. But that's like nothing else over here. You can see this gap is breakaway daily, but you can neutral so what do we have on the foreground? We have an unmitigated forward in the view forward right there level. Then what we have saying so about here the unmitigated levels it is a new day. Dot let's say dot here knocking that out this involves this for below this kind of we take this for her range over here what we can see is two four 6.65 range high number become one of values price. It's the range here, so we take this range of this discount range is Shikurian average inside of what? We want this range law over here. What we want is this. If we want the range law below this level, what do we want? We obviously want some kind of introspection of the bullish premium gap in premium of this range, right? Premium to discount bullish gap ne respect you want to get that because it was not what Pfizer as a 4 hours later with 4 hours under $2 expecting that over the $2 the trend was $4. We have this indicator over here. So could act as a minor reference something. This one we are already respecting a one for over there. Or yes, putting related rights on a time frame in like I think we needed some kind of what is this level high 3900 3900 which is equal high or yeah we are short some bullish rebalance into this 1 hour we can do like that condition okay maybe we will end off this rejection something like that. Yeah. What do we want to say? Respect of this premium gap. Premium premium respect premium gap respect we are falling like crazy. Both are disrespected but as a daily so if you disrespect some kind of bullish premium gaps we disrespected this gap here 15 we want rebalance into this gap and a short valid thing to look for Okay, premium cap tap it down. Place around this range EQ got have thing to see. One more EQ. Daily range. When that gets supported, there will be range. One week batch. Highs. Like this overall very bearish. So looking for longs right now, it's kind of a rotating no anti scenario. Only shifting bias like this rolling knife. We have LRL displacement, LRL, lot of LRL. Clean. But high resistance versus high resistance. So maybe we could just get from short-term moves. Establish this EQ of the range. Both assets are inside of a high time frame key level. What about this? Let's take both of these two over and EQ. Ah, OB. This delivered from a discounted gap. Disrespect of the premium gap, premium bullish gap, expecting some kind of rebalance into the discount of this. We have this weekly session lows are still intact. The LRL generation is looking like usually good. Not looking for short. Looking for short, but we are inside this 2 hour. I need to wait for that to completely wrecked. I will look for some kind of mech. Um, quick reaction from this endog region. Maybe into this 5 minutes. I will rover the risk. Is it a good one? Probably I say it's a good one. Like here's the order block also. Like this entire move is caused by the signal. There's the 5 minute opens. I'm talking about something like this. It is risky because we have this low resistance liquidity at our stop. This is higher resistance below this level. So look at that equal high. So this equal highs aligning with the unmitigated 4 hour. I'm thinking we are bullish, somehow bullish because I think we will come back into that level. I'm looking at the level, this is 730 made, there's 845, so it's a pretty good difference in the style. You have SMTs also. I will just place a limit. I will risk 24 straight. I want pending auto. Buy. I could buy from there. Buy. I mean, instead of a 3 minute, obviously risky, but I think it's worth a shot. Oh, you have a lot ready from this period. We didn't have a close place. Apps. Hmm. I will close some at this level, then I will let this run. If it happens, it happens. This in it. We're out. We lose something. Okay, that's it. Never close below the end dog yet. Still how the Asian rules the London rules, no final rebalance, not even a 3 minute. Close below the end talk pretty aggressively. 50-minute opening in few minutes. OB here at level. What is the level? 13, 17. This is 29, 29, 300 right here. Okay, so if this happened, we will discuss point all these levels, and we will likely look at this sell side range. But yes, it's looking like it is holding. Yes, once I think yes is short term bullish. Let's just tap into the EQ of the range. Yes, I type of liquidity overs. Pretty good inversion over there. I will risk once again 18. Probably add it to the trade and it's a Mac, really good Mac, so than the previous trade. I'll risk 25 for this trade. Give it a try. Instead of any high time frame, nothing. But we inverse, we can't take this. Take it into the 5 minute, it's a breakaway. Like the inversion is pretty very aggressive candle over there, so this. Buying it is I hope it doesn't inverse, so it inverse, I'm not taking it. Take that. It's a pretty good trade, okay, not gonna lie. But there is no LR at the stop, and the stop have a lot of LR and we just in those some 15 minutes. Look at this, we close below the range, respecting the end also. Bad. I'll re-enter figure a CSI. Yes, looking good. Yes, that looks good, but I'm not taking a risk here. I am letting this go. Probably get will probably get the TP, but like it could get a TP, but I don't like it that much. It's not that. Other than this 5 minute, there is nothing to us to target. Good inversion, good momentum, but this type of trade, I have a history of lot of fading, so I want it to be like that. And it is an NTOC level that is good. But I said to her also, and that's a fade right there. Or are we going to use? Yes, that's how LRL at our stop. Yes, is holding for bullish narrative. Again, the high time frame, it just want. So it's a BPR range. I think that law is protected, but living and getting this like this short term weekly bias like this. Entire week we are just bearish, bearish, bearish. And I just lost all the trades. So probably we will go with the bias for shorts. Like okay, this entire week was just full of bearish candles, right? And the previous week was bullish, bullish. Like one Friday from Friday we got two bullish trades, and most of this was really good news. I'll try to for short right now because most of these days I look for longs. Probably that's why I lost also. I tapped with the market, so this is the end also rather than marking for looking for some kind of short term targets at like this weekly end top is also present right there and walk here. It's not good as the levels. Just the trader, yeah, that for stop right now. Here we get what? Here we are getting that choppy inside the end top. I don't remember what was the level. This was the look at this forward. This forward should shift bullish forward. I will keep my today's biases bearish, and I will shift to bullish if some kind of something happens on the lower time frame. I don't want to look for aggressive like gamble longs. So like the major thing that I missed today was for the kind of thing it was looking for shorts every time when we actually don't have any. Like what was the first close? It was two longs failed. What was this again? It was the Monday's close. What was this? This was a short, but it did get the liquidity run through that. But what happened was we forward in this trade because of the equal loss. So did one trade or two trades? It was this one. Okay, this one was the same short idea as also it's not that bad trade, but looking at the structure and everything. Looking at here what we did, we tried to long this when we have the LR and everything. It's not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. It's a really good trade. Some of the guys actually took it off. We have LR and we took some other measure. This loss I didn't journal. Right? So even if we take these London lows, we still have some kind of crazy trailing to our stop. So I don't want to long anywhere here. Does this projection box look like a good area to long? Maybe after we open the high time frame can. Generally got disrespected. We don't want to look for it. Now we have lateral 5 minutes. We want some kind of end rate. Not making that about blocks is good. Maybe we could take the PE of this range. Let's say I'm not looking for long. Maybe after we take this problem. What do we have here? Okay, this shot happened, like it happened after respected through the range. Okay, it's a good thing to see. Take the previous day. Hopefully, maybe 5 4 times that down. Okay, it started falling also. Happened like yeah, some sort of on shores. Bicep target is an EQX. Some kind of between what a good reaction from that one. It's a 30-minute internal low. It was a good reaction. Like it is the 13-point reaction. If we impose some highlight frame gaps, we could bounce. We're going to open the next. The reason for long is we have LRL. Not taking anything, but trying to open the next 15 minutes. Sounds like that. We took most of the bicep targets. The major sell side is still below us. There's a pretty good chance that this might fail. Like not a pretty good, like a good chance that if we got a reaction from that, that minor sell side is great, and giving all the reasons to. If I'm long the EQS, nothing else. And I'll keep my mind on the new openings. And 1 to 1, I want naturally say 1 to 1 in this way. I want that level there. Even if we inverse this gap, I am waiting for a limit order. Uh, if we transfer on the F4. This action strong. Yeah. Now we added to the LR rejection block. Looking for shorts is like long form here. It's kind of dark. Like, if you want to like desperate to trade in this market, just short from here. Like, the good thing to do is just short from. There is no way it's going to fail. Keep the stop above this level like this. Go to this video. Maybe then yesterday what happened after the what happened yesterday? In 9:30 open, I don't want to see what 10 a.m. does. 10 a.m. just ranges, right? Yes, I got stopped out of it. And the distributor lower. Either way, it is distributing lower. Here, what this 10 a.m. opens here. I think here, here, and we distribute a lower for 15 minutes. Then we flip the bias to the bullish. And we hit the 2-hour discount of fair value gap. Short-term target is definitely there. Some kind of maybe a lower time frame SMT. Tap into that 1 minute and be displaced lower and be displaced up, which means it's like the place. I know it kind of sucks sometimes. Would you take this in a trade account? I will never take this. If I draw down, but the short-term target is definitely there. I can see that. If we put a SMT, I may try it, but there is no SMT even this level. No short-term SMT. We're looking for an SMT at this, and the price that like tap it. This is an RB for sure. Like, look at this one. So we open the 10 a.m. Okay, we are opening the 10 a.m. right from here. I think the previous candle was the 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. Good. And what? How it reacting? When 10 a.m. opens, we want an aggressive candle how? Oh, then beautiful inversion of giving us a wall right to this EQX. Wow, that would be crazy. There is a chance to happen. We opened a new 4-hour mitigator on the discount of this range. So we can expect price to go lower into that 4-hour once more. We don't want to be locked in only for long either. As SMT will say over us, I can sense that. Like a 10 a.m. manipulation, something. Capital 4-hour. Oh, that will be beautiful. Capital 4-hour. At least we can expect this level to this height. I don't see that much. Do we really wanted to trade after this week full of shit happening? I really wanted to make the lows back. But is it what trading about? S and we have something doesn't matter. I mean, LRL have SMT, who fucking cares, right? They're targeting an imbalance. They're looking for a Mac. It'll be the 30. Now manipulation will lag on ES. I think ES want to follow through right now. This end dog is supporting price. This is the minor sell side here. Na 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 na. तेरी पहली बात मेरा na 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 na. Let's see what could happen. Best case scenario, we get some side of charts like forward data. This is high resistance versus high resistance. He is not looking good. We disrespected a premium gap. We are respecting it into the lower time, which is already happened. We could take some kind of short, edging the PDL. Define its latest with that of this. Look at how that reaction is they're getting. Without even getting as a what? A stock fund. They are rejecting of this rejection block. They are getting what? The CSID. Will you take it? I don't. Might happen, okay, who knows? Anything could happen at this point. We are just puppets in this market, bro. Do you get me why I say that? May not. There is a 30-minute right below that 15 minutes, so I can mark at 30. Rather than that, what? Rather than that, look at this CSID. That is strong, real strong, and we are letting close above this end of it. Might be a fake view, but yes, also have the same move. We didn't. A little thing to notice is that end top that one minute can doesn't close above that end top. Including V shape. CSI. Revenue CSI. Looking for this 15-minute minus SI. Or some of the writers. This is 70 points. This region is not enough for us to shift the right. I think we have. We are just acting to the law systems. Maybe. Look at the 4-hour. We manipulated lower, then we manipulated expanded higher. Manipulated into nothing. That's the fun part. This is the suspension block, but not recovering that lower. Now it's getting cooked. Makkah is doing its own things. And nobody is very slow. I mean, they did say that this might be a we can expect price at least that. Let me get the high of this candle. 90.751 is the high of this candle right now. 90.25. Okay. Exactly 0.5 point difference, which is the signal for reversal. I will do experiment. Okay, we'll just start from right now. Okay, I stop. Nothing else. Let's follow. How about that? Do you think this will work? I want this high to be protected. Crazy shit. Ten 6. 10 a.m. Wow. On a year side, and looks like a $50,000 short position is running right now. How about that? $50,000, which means we will make 100K, then 200K, and then a 300K and a 400K. So, sorry, 50 on the 1 hour. Then the next 2 hour we will get 100. Yeah, the next 3 hour we will get 200. Yeah, that will be like 3 hour. 3 hour വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എത്ര കിട്ടും 200K കിട്ടും. 4 hour വരുമ്പോൾ 500K. ആ 50 വെച്ചിട്ടല്ലേ കൂടുന്നത്. 50 ഇൻറ്റു 4 ഇതാണ് 5 ഇൻറ്റു 4 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേന് 20. 5 ഇൻറ്റു 4 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 20. 200K കിട്ടും കേട്ടോ. 5 ഇൻറ്റു 4 ഇത് മൊത്തത്തിൽ റണ്ണി 4 hour ആണ് കയറുകയാണ്. We will be taking a 400. That is 4 CR. Okay, 400 on short position. Holy shit, bro. You are taking the PO3 trade. 15-minute breakaway. Took the minor sell side. Oh, are we seeing this thing? What we are going to do? Oh my God, what we are. Look at how precise I was. Look at that. You are trading the 4-hour P.O. free. Everybody in this ride, let's make some money. Yo, 100K on the run, 100K. Making some money, money, money. At this point, I am the market maker, buddy. No one can replace me. Holy. Oh. 5 minute fucking permanent gap. Delivering from where exactly? Nowhere. I don't see shit over here. I only want some light. Do we have at least a 3-minute shot to take a reconsider? Nothing. Then why the fuck did I take this shot? Come on, man. Market experience. Look at my market experience of this week. Come on, all green. What a beautiful thing to see at this point, right, everybody? Yo, everybody. I am the market maker. Look at this. All profit. This is not $30 losses. This is 300K losses. This is not 20. This is $20,000. Do I care? No. Because why? I am the fucking millionaire. I want to say no. Thank God. Yo, bro, I only have a Bugatti in my in my garage. Okay, I don't care to lose. I am the market maker. Let's go. Second manipulation lag. We found the ifvg here from man. Oh man, beautiful, right? Yeah, right. Mine is 70. Where is 70? This is 700 range. Look at me, baby. Like, this is 700. Maybe we can expect 600. Where is 600? Maybe 650. Very bar mein aao. Na. I'll wait for this level to get taken down so that I can loan. I don't even see some kind of shorts playing out. So, what do you think, guys? LRL 15-minute stop 100K, 30-minute interval loss up taking, but this low should act as a protector low, right? Did it act as this one? No. Why are we thinking about loans? We want shorts. Okay. How about we short this to the forward? Now under confirmation. Nothing. But why are we shorting this? Because we are the market maker. You understand why you take this trade? You understand why I take this trade? No one could understand why I take this trade. Okay. Because I know how the market moves. I'm just bullshitting, guys. It's just an experiment, okay? Oh. Look at this. You see S&P 500 US composite PM out. Oh, this is terrible, bro. Oh, I don't even know what I'm looking at. Run Navy commander. The enemy will not be allowed to approach Iranian soil. That's the spirit, bro. That's the spirit. Let's go. SMB composite PMF flash actual 56. Oh, let's go. What was that? I don't give a shit. Whatever it is. If there is not on Forex Factory, then who the why should I fucking care about financial use? Oh, what a crash! What a crash! I can't believe I just made just 200 cans on a single trade. Oh, what I must do. What a beautiful thing to how this morning. Oh, great, right. Oh, right. Look at we top take the 4-hour PO3. Who else can do it other than me? Who else? Who? You understand? Yeah, you should understand. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, do you see this? Open. Let me just. This is the thing to like. Look, it's open and low are same exact level. That are called devil's mark. Also mechanical trade. This is mechanical trade, not actually mechanical. We would argue that this is a 5-minute order block. We tap into that, we get a 5-minute inversion, and we are taking it to the 4-hour unmitigated 4-hour, which we also have a devil's mark. Also, this is the devil's mark. Okay, this is the devil's mark. Okay. I don't give a shit about this trade. Come on, how look at how precise we are. But this is what ICT traders are for, buddy. ICT traders are the gangsta. Gangsta. दरिवार में जाऊं ना 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 ना. Is there snow? Is there snow? Look at what we did here. If I was you, I would trail my stop to where what is the good looking song? I will trail the CE of this order block. Okay. Book some profit there and fire your stop the CE of this order block. Okay. Okay, guys. Come on. We just stopped out. For oh my god, only $100,000 in our bank account. That's so bad, brother. We could have banked like a $250K today, but this is so depressing. But I will left a runner like a 10 minutes. Okay, so no depression, only happiness. Who cares, right? To be honest, I'm okay. I see is an update. I said about those passports. Why did I ask you to trade it to that level? Because we just took the devil's mark on years. So that is that is a key level for us. So we can't take any risk about that. So to understand that we rejected from this RB that is inside of a rank. I don't care. If I will take it as a compliment. 15-minute count, we want a great level 2 beyond. Do you take this arbitrate? Man. This arbitrate. Yeah, best to that PDF. So that PDF should be protected by now. Font 1 minute short. No structure, only the draw. So, work, okay. We're opening this 13 instead of this RB. Okay, if we inverse this, we are taking this. Hell nah, brother, I'm not taking that. Yes, looking like trash. Thank you, a lot of senses are stop. 30-minute gap is opening. Full of red flags. But we are the market maker ourselves, okay? But who cares? Right. Oh, some 30-minute open. This 30 minutes. Actually 30 minutes. You're taking longs to longs of this 500. What is happening to me myself? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So beautiful.
Decide you want to be rich. All you gotta do is start. Why not? Who gonna stop you? Unless you tell it to the wrong person.
Yeah.
Mama,
I'm making here $200,000 on profit running, so trading my stop to break even. Uh, uh, oh, we stopped out for a small profit, just $25,000. Nothing to worry about right now. Okay, we're all safer. പിന്നെ ബാങ്ക് ഓ we just opened, it's not a breakaway, 30 minute, we could expect the way comment is
വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായി. അപ്പൊ ഈ പെയിനോ വിളിച്ചോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇഞ്ചുറി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇന്നലെ 1 year മൊത്തം ഈ പെയിൻ വെച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പൊ എന്റെ ഒരു പേഷ്യൻ
Understand this right now, so I thought I would put it on.
long side now would be radar. Don't take longs. Why? Look at this. Do we know where we are going? Fluorescence on here. You need to wait for one side manipulation before we take anything. Okay, let's start. Fuck you. Oh, what a mass. കാലിയ സമരെ.
ഒരു 5 പേര് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തു. നമസ്കാരം. Every time you wake up and waste the day by not working, that's disrespect. Every time you say I'll start tomorrow and you don't, that's disrespect. Every time you stop yourself from dreaming big just to fit in with people around you, that's disrespect. Love every day with a shot that most people don't even get, and you waste this just surviving. കാലിയ എന്തൊരു കാലി आता कमिया कालिया के समरे आता संना हालिया नि समिये ना 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 ना. Tagamia kalia samure kalia na na kalia ni samure na 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 na. Tagamia kalia me samure
Na 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 na. Autonomia caliente saure. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, let's listen to this music. Yeah, probably I will watch. So guys, there is nothing here to trade, so I'm gonna hop out. La 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 la. വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ കൂട്ടുന്നില്ല.